If you want to keep a YouTube video organized inside Evernote, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you're saving tutorials, research videos, or inspiration for later, adding a YouTube video to Evernote makes it much easier to keep everything in one place. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. First, open YouTube in your browser and find the video you want to save. Once you're on the video page, copy the URL from the address bar. You can do this by clicking the link at the top and copying it, or by using the share option if that's easier for you. This link is what Evernote will use to create the video preview in your note. Next, open Evernote and either create a brand new note or open an existing note where you want to store the video. This is helpful if you want to keep all your related content in one notebook, like project research, study materials, or saved resources. Once your note is open, place your cursor inside the note and paste the YouTube link. Just press paste and Evernote will add the video URL directly into the note. In many versions of Evernote, the app will automatically detect the YouTube link and generate a clickable preview. In some cases, it may even show an embedded player depending on your Evernote version and platform. That means you may be able to preview or open the video much more quickly without searching for it again later. After the link is pasted, look for the play button or the preview card. If your version supports embedded playback, you can click play to watch the video right inside Evernote. This is a great way to save time because you do not have to jump back and forth between apps or open a separate YouTube tab every time you want to review the video. Now that the video is added, you can make the note even more useful by adding your own content underneath it. For example, you can write summaries, important points, timestamps, reminders, or action items based on the video. This is especially helpful if you use Evernote for studying, content planning, or organizing ideas from tutorials and lectures. You can also highlight key takeaways so you can come back to them later and find the most important information fast. And that's all it takes to add a YouTube video to Evernote. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference when you want to keep your videos, notes, and ideas organized in one place. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.